I'm pulled up in the Bentley right here. Get a look at him.
First time I drove the bitch in Lord, I bagged it to a nigga goddamn truck.
Okay.
Man started.
Trapping and rapping and dab, trapping and rapping and dab, trapping and rapping and dabbing, bitch. I'm trapping and rapping and dab, trapping and rapping and dab, trapping and rapping and dab, trapping and rapping and dabbing, bitch. I'm trapping and rapping and dab, trapping and rapping and dab.
I don't give a fuck. Put some money on my head. You can kiss me when you miss me. Forever reminiscing. See, I ran the ball bearers, then the parents and the sisters. All I'm saying is, don't love a nigga when they dead in the casket, but when you out your life, love a motherfucker right now. All that fake ass shit, don't fake the phone, bro. Motherfucker see through that bullshit, you heard me? Real talk, man. Oh, motherfucker, I be fucked up with that shit. Leave a nigga hanging.
Smoking weed, set it right. If other nigga shit don't come back right, that's how niggas get popped. Trying to get the cheaper price. Buy your paper, yours and life. Most these niggas ain't living right. Keep your pistol fucked away. The niggas I hit that every night. I keep my mind on my money, nigga, fuck the fame. Big face hunters, deep in the game. Hitting up corner in the candy thing. Sitting on left, gripping the grain.
Good weed, good drink, big money. Hey, rolling in something foreign, no leather gripping shit. I handle my business, so I think I deserve the When I came in the dope, I said it before. I never fuck a hoe without head no more. I never pull up with nothing less than a.
Yeah, we done put the old box out today, baby. Put a wash on her. Who that? Oh, he just passed by? Yeah, we done bought the box out today. We told bro, he might well go and put it back together, so we done put the tail lights and everything back on her. Washed her. Had a gas leak, we done fixed that. One of the lines was leaking. What else we had going on? We did some minor things, because that's all the car needed, minor work. Had a leak here on the valve cover. We replaced that and took care of that. Still T-lodging in the nighttime, man. T-lodging in the nighttime. Here you go, boy. Yep. I had to bring this motherfucker out, man. Y'all see what he playing with right there. Then we're going in there. I'll cut y'all back. Got Netflix moving the box Chevy.
bitch, I'ma stun out just like Rick. My bitch, Bentley post, she pulling up with the.
About to sign my bowling. Okay. Sun just hit. Look at dude. Ain't your turn yet, Nick. He bucking, boy. He ready to bowl game. Family night at the bowling alley. Stepdaughter, baby mama. Gutter ball.
Go ahead, dude.
Doodle turn. Let's set him up. Hold on, I got it. I got it. Gotta set the doodle man up, man, so he can hit him a strike. What you got? What you got? Look, look. Okay. Okay. Come here. You gotta get double. You wanna go get a whole nother ball. Your ball finna come out. It's finna come out of there. Come this way.
Get ready, get ready, get ready.
Oh, that mug. Oh, that mug's still spinning on now.
He's coming.
He ain't coming yet. Look, it's still spinning in the gutter. That mug's stuck in the gutter, gang. I don't know how long it's gonna take to come out. You got it? I'm gonna try another ball, gang. The ball ain't come out the gutter yet. See if we can get it out the gutter. What you got, Doodle? What you got? Okay. Oh, he got all on. He got all on. The Doodle Master.
Dude, come back here. It's not your turn. Then it's turn. You think you going? Everybody's turn. Okay, then, baby. Give it, dude.
Hold the phone right. That's for my damn video. That's how you do it, gang. That's how you do it. That's how you do it.
We playing right now.
Got me fucked up. I'm the best in this shit.
No.
Yeah, all the ball getting stuck. That mug got stuck on the side.
That's why they get you.
Yeah. They ain't got nothing but one old man coming out there getting the shit. He's still old as hell. You might got a chance. Oh, you rolling doodle turn, girl.
Oh, you will? Oh, you doing dude turn?
She rolling my damn boy turn. Look at it.
Oh, shit.
I wonder why the rail came out. Hold on, wait. All right.
Robert, your pizza is ready. Robert.
Okay. That dude did.
It's still do turn.
Hold on, boy. Here go your ball right here. We're gone, you double. Don't go get no more ball. He keep going getting ball, man. He gonna get the ball out the gutter. Oh, you got two of them. Ain't your turn. There. Hey man, just left the damn barber shop. We got chopped. You know what I mean? Took my boys to get chopped. Back at the crib now, man. So I gotta work tonight. So we're gonna wrap this video here on up, man. Hope y'all enjoyed it, man. We coming with something new next week, man. I don't know what we're gonna have going on. Ain't no telling what's gonna be going on, guys. So you been rocking with your boy GBody Spanking, man. And if you're new, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you tell a friend, man. And we gone.
Who is it? It's Sammy, man. Man, I ain't serving nobody on no, man. Nobody. Got me fucked up. Got a chop whooping dope up on the show. Still serving out of bando. Fiend cut a knock it at my dope. Made $100,000 people. I made $100,000 people. I made $100,000 people. When I get it, it'll tell a bitch I'm selling. I made $100,000 people. Got a chop whooping dope up on the show. Still serving out of bando. Fiend cut a knock it at my dope. Made $100,000 people. I made $100,000 people. I made $100,000 people. When I get it, it'll tell a bitch I'm selling. I made $100,000 people.